it's Serena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm super excited today because I am partnering with Zaful to bring you guys a haul, and I have a few kind of cute preppy looking pieces. But if you do like any of the items that I talk about, I do have a discount code which is LUULU18 for 18% off at checkout. But let's just jump straight in. I realize that whenever I film hauls, I always kind of forget to mention sizes. So if I don't mention any sizes here, I'll definitely leave them in the description bar below. But I'm just going to start by category as I do. And I always like to start with the one that I have the most of. And I have a lot of tops in this haul. So let's start with that. I am also wearing one at the moment. This is like a really cute coffee brown and white plaid jumper, and it's like made of fleece, so it's super warm, and it has like a zip down the middle, so you can kind of wear it as a kind of collar jumper or as a turtleneck jumper. So it's really versatile. I love this piece. It's so warm and cozy, and summer is almost ending here in Australia, so it's going to be autumn and winter soon. So I know I'm going to wear this a lot because it's literally so comfortable. It has an elastic on the sleeves, and also it's cropped at the bottom, and it also has elastic, so it brings it in, which makes it look a lot more fashionable and cute. And I love that because it's such a comfortable piece whilst still looking really adorable and fashionable. And it's going to keep you warm because I'm kind of like sweating in this at the moment. It was kind of cold in the morning, but now I like took ages to get ready and it's kind of hot, but that's okay. Let's keep going. The next piece that I have, I'll probably just start with my long sleeves since this is a like long sleeve jumper. But I do also have this really cute, another brown beige kind of cropped long sleeve, and it also does have a collar neck, but this is more like a sweater than a jumper. And it's got this really adorable plaid, I don't even know if this is called plaid, but it's like triangle plaid pattern. So it's like a gorgeous beige with white and black details, and it's a long sleeve, and this one's also really cropped as well. So really fashionable and cute, and it's so comfortable. This is in a size medium, and I love this. I feel like it's just so adorable. It has that really cute preppy vibe because of the pattern, and I just love this. I think it's so cute. I love collared tops because I think it just adds such a nice detail to a fit. And the next long sleeve that I have is kind of just like a plain white ribbed long sleeve. This is inside out because I was like trying them on before. But it's a gorgeous white, just like a plain white ribbed long sleeve. But it has the most gorgeous neckline, which is why I picked this up. It kind of like comes in on the sides. You'll see it in the try-on clips that I insert. But it's just got this gorgeous neckline. I love how the neckline is straight and then it has the triangles that kind of bring your shoulders in. I probably mentioned this in one of my other videos, but like I have broad shoulders and it's probably one of my biggest insecurities, and this type of neckline is really flattering on my body type, so I love it. And you always need a white long sleeve. Like it goes with so many different types of outfits. It's so versatile. Like you can literally wear it with anything. It's such a great basic to have. So I actually love this piece, and it's also so unique because of the neckline, and it's actually really comfortable. Like the material is so nice and soft, and it's because it's ribbed and cotton, it like keeps you really warm. So I'm gonna literally wear this all the time during winter. I love it. It's so nice. So the next piece that I have is a really cute vest. I have been a little bit obsessed with vests recently, but I really like this one because I feel like it's just like a really cool, unique kind of design. This one's in a size small. It's just a gorgeous blue and a white sweater vest, and it has like this kind of cross pattern and then like a thick white stripe along the neckline and the bottom and also around the arms. It kind of gives me like fish vibes. Like I don't know, it's probably the color, and then like the cross kind of looks like a net to me, so it kind of gives me like fish vibes. But I just think it's really cute and like preppy. The next two pieces are kind of a little bit more casual. So I have this gorgeous kind of tank. It's like the same shape as a vest, but I wouldn't consider this a vest because the sleeves are a little bit like thinner, but it's more just kind of like a really cute cropped tank. And I just love the scallop trimming along the arms and the neckline, and also along the bottom. And it has these gorgeous red pink embroidered flowers on it, and some like cute green leaves, and the pattern is just so pretty. I actually love this piece. I think when I first got this package, this was like the first piece that I wore, and I absolutely love it. I got so many compliments when I was wearing it because it's so cute. And I know that I'm just going to wear this a ton. Like, you can literally wear this under long sleeves or by itself. So cute. And it's like crocheted, knitted. I don't really know what the proper term is, but it's so nice. I love it so much. It's super cute. I need to stop saying super cute, don't I? So the next piece that I have is the last like top piece, and it is this really gorgeous kind of pale yellow creamy color. Oh, it's like a t-shirt kind of. It's not really a t-shirt, but it's like a cropped t-shirt, and you tie it in the middle. I was trying this on as well, so it's untied. But it's just this really beautiful light yellow cream top that has like a little bow in the middle that you tie, and it's got like that really cute casual. I feel like I love tops like this because I don't have that many nice t-shirts that I can wear when I want to look cute, but like sometimes you don't want to wear a singlet. So this is like perfect with that because it's still like it still has like a t-shirt sleeve, so it's not too like, because I hate my arms, so having a t-shirt top that's like nice is always appreciated. And it has this gorgeous frill around the like neckline that comes down into like a little V, and I love this frill. I feel like it adds like a kind of cute, it's almost like a collar but not, so it adds like a really cute detail to the top, which I really like. And of course the little bow in the middle, which is cute, adds another little detail to the top. The like frilly trimming also continues down the whole like middle part, which beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And it's like a ribbed material, so it just like sits on top of your body. It's so nice, so comfortable. But I wouldn't really know what kind of like bra I would wear with this, because you can, since it's like kind of open, you can see the bra. But I would probably wear like a top underneath, honestly, if I was wearing this. But it's super cute and I love it, and it's just nice to have like fancy cute t-shirt tops. So I love this piece. But that's actually all for my tops. So I'm just going to go into my like skirts and dresses. I only have like one of each, but I picked up this really cute green tennis skirt. It's got like blue, white and like brown tones throughout it, and it's just such a gorgeous color. I just thought it was so pretty. I'm pretty sure I got this in a size small and it fits me perfectly. But this one doesn't have shorts underneath it like some tennis skirts do, so do keep that in mind. But it's also not as short as other tennis skirts that I have, so it's really cute. I really like it, and the pattern's really unique, adorable, and I just think it's really cute. I've been really into pleated skirts, pleated tennis skirts recently. The next piece that I picked up is a piece that you've probably actually seen before, because I picked it up in a different color in a previous Zaful haul, but I just loved it so much I had to pick it up in another color. So I have this gorgeous white silk, oops, wrong way, white silk slip dress, and I picked this up in like a pinky champagne color in a previous Zaful haul, but I literally wear it all the time, and it's like one of my favorite go-to dresses because it's simple and you can style it so many different ways that I had to pick it up in white because I knew I would wear it so much as well, because I really like I always want white dresses, and since it's such a simple design I can literally style it with so many different things. But it has the gorgeous ruffled kind of detail, or like what's it called, bunch detail at the front, like bustier area, and it has a straight neckline, as I love because it's flattering on my body type. And then it has these cute little tie sleeves, so you can really customize the length that you want on you. I feel like I love the tying sleeves because I actually tie it like different ways sometimes. Like sometimes I tie it so it goes like across, or like I tie a little bow at my front so it looks like a choker. So you can actually like tie it different ways, which kind of makes the dress look a little different when you wear it. So I love this. Oh, it's so cute. But those were the two like dress and skirt pieces that I picked up. The rest of the pieces that I have are like jackets and outer garments. So the first one that I want to talk about is this adorable fleece cardigan that I picked up. I love cardigans. I just think they're so adorable, and I feel like because this is a fleece material, it's kind of like warm, and it's perfect when you don't want something too heavy as an outer garment but you still want something to keep you warm. So I absolutely love this piece. It is so cute. It's just a gorgeous creamy cardigan, and it has like these tortoiseshell buttons down the middle, and it's also a little cropped, so it's stylish and nice, and there's like pockets on the sides, which are always good. Always love a cute little pocket moment. But I love the sleeves on this cardigan. I really like when sleeves like kind of come out and bunch up a little bit and have like a semi they kind of look like a balloon sleeve. So I really love tops that do that, and this cardigan is kind of like that. Like the sleeve on it is just so pretty. You can wear it as an outer garment, or you can literally just wear it as like a top, which I probably will. I'll probably wear it both ways. I'll probably wear it a lot. And this one is in a size small, so I love this piece. Super cute. The next outer garment piece I picked up is really cute, but I don't know if I would wear it that much because it's so cute, but it's not really like my go-to style. But I really wanted something kind of like this, and it is this gorgeous white blazer. And I really don't wear blazers that often, so I kind of picked one up that has like a few cute details that I could wear different ways. So it's like a really cropped white blazer top. Blazers have low-key been coming back into fashion, and I actually really like how they look, but I just don't feel like they suit me that much. So I picked up one like this because it's kind of cropped, and I feel like you can style it so many different ways. I tried wearing it as like a top, and I thought it looked really cute, but because it's so cropped, like if you literally like lift one up like slightly, like a boob will pop out. So definitely be careful of that if you are picking this up to wear it as a top. I feel like it looks really nice and it's such great quality, but it is really cropped. But that's kind of the design, and it has just like one like yellowy kind of button down the middle. The sleeves are long, and there's also yellow buttons that match the middle one on the sleeves. I feel like this is super gorgeous, and it has a really nice sophisticated classy look to it. But for me, when I wear it personally, I like to cuff the sleeves. I feel like it gives a little bit more of a casual vibe, like a casual look, and it suits me a little bit more. But you can definitely wear it either way. You can have like a cute casual stylish outfit or a sophisticated boss girl look with this piece, and I love it. I have one more piece to share with you guys, and it's another outer garment, and it is probably one of my favorites. I absolutely love this piece, and it is this gorgeous white coat kind of jacket outer garment. I actually don't even know what type of material this is. Like, this isn't fleece, but it's like, I don't know, like a nice kind of like, it's not too weighted, but it keeps you warm, and I love it. I stopped wearing coats back in high school because they just felt so heavy sometimes, but they look so nice when you wear them with an outfit. But I just hated how heavy they felt, and I just felt like you were carrying so much when you were wearing a coat. So I kind of stopped wearing coats for the longest time. But this has that like feeling, like it looks like a coat, but because the material isn't so heavy and thin, it kind of just feels like a jacket, and I love that about this. It's super gorgeous. It's white, and it has pearl buttons down the middle, and you know how much I love a pearl detailing on my pieces. So this is literally perfect, and it has like a nice collar, which I think is really cute. It adds like a little cute detail to it because it's curved, it's not too pointy, which really goes with the vibe of this. And because it's like big and oversized, I feel like it just looks so nice on top of things. And you can wear it so many different ways. You can wear it, I don't know, you can wear it however you want because it's literally an outer garment. Like, throw it on top of any outfit you have and it would look so freaking cute. So I actually love this piece. I've already worn this as well. I actually wore it with my silk dress. Like, I wore these two together and I loved it. So freaking cute. Adorable. And it does also have pockets on the sides, which is great. Always love pockets. But I seriously love this jacket, and I'm gonna wear it so much during winter. I already know. Love it. Super cute. But that's actually all for the different pieces that I picked up from Zaful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you for watching, and of course, if you do like any of these items, feel free to use my discount code LUU, LUU18 for 18% off your purchase. And I'll link all the items down below for you guys as well. But I'll see you in my next one. Bye!